So hey guys, check out what I just picked up. It's a 2021 Honda Pilot Special Edition. I got this for my wife. We had the EXL before, but we upgraded to this. I know it's the same body style, but we were really missing the all-wheel drive. That's the main reason we switched. And this thing looks really nice. I'll go over really quickly what the SE gives you. But like I said, the main reason was for the all-wheel drive here. Because we do go the snow quite a bit, and I don't really want to put chains on the car. Has some nice 20-inch black wheels, which I really like. Some Continental tires. If you guys remember, I had the 2019 EXL two-wheel drive before. So again, I'll just go over, I didn't even know what the special edition had. They only make the special edition for 1 year. It's only in 2021, which usually means the very next year they'll do a redesign. So the Pilot's probably getting a redesign next year, just to give you guys a heads up. Got the all black leather interior here. And you know now all Pilots come with a 9-speed transmission with the push button selector there. So that's nice too. We had the 6-speed before. So the special edition, here's what it gives you. It gives you the 20-inch black wheels. It gives you the black grille here, which is really nice. And this piece on the bottom is also gloss black to match. Okay. And then on the rear here, also gives you up top here the gloss black roof rails, which is a nice touch. I'm not sure if I get the crossbars yet or not, but it's a nice touch to have. And it also gives you the gloss black diffuser here, which I think is a nice little touch here. If you guys know my Accord, I like just the little gloss accents. And also has, I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but also has the hands-free lift gate, where you just kick your foot underneath the bumper here and the tailgate lifts up. So that's kind of a nice feature. I don't know if my wife will even use it, but it is a feature that it comes with. Okay, so inside here. So the special edition also has the wireless phone charger. Again, if you guys know, there's a lot of different options out there, but it does come with the OEM wireless phone charger on the special edition. Okay, and then on here, it has black accents. Nothing crazy, but it does dress it up a tiny bit. The EXLs are just all flat plastic, so it's nice. Okay, and then of course, you know, you have the push button selector, but they all have that now too. So those are the differences. So if you guys are looking for a special edition, that's what it comes with. It's the wheels, the front rear diffuser, the roof rails, the hands-free tailgate, and the wireless charger. Okay, and it's $600 more than the EXL. So not much money for the added stuff you get if you guys like that. You know, I like the black accents and the wheels and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna do some stuff to this car. So I wanna let you guys know. So stay tuned for that. You know, I can't be the only one modding the 10th gen Accord here. So it's nice to have a family ride like this. And there's a lot of nice things you can do to it too. I've seen a lot of you guys have Pilots and CRVs, do some nice stuff to them. You know, so I know the first thing I'm gonna do, which I don't know why it doesn't come with it, but is buy these badges in black from Honda. I know the black edition, I believe, has them in black. You know, that's the top of the line Pilot. But you think this one would be too, since they're putting everything black. But I'm gonna go ahead and buy those, and I'll do install videos, show you guys how those work. Pretty basic. But just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm excited. My wife's loving this car so far. We just picked it up. But like I said, the Pilots are a great car. And this just adds to it, adds some nice sporty features. Okay, guys? So I wanted to share that with you. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. And please like and subscribe if you have it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.